Yeah, buddy. This is a good spot right here on the ground. Perfect. I'm gonna find a different way.
Man above, take care of me, don't worry about it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Shazam.
Oh yeah, this totally looks like a spot.
Speed limit, okay?
Okay. Slept like a baby. Woo. Nice view. A little chilly, a little bit cold out here. Cool. Just got it all loaded and the sun's peeking over the clouds. Nice. Big score. That's the third time I've seen that guy on this road, on this route. He was the guy taking pictures. He gave me the hat yesterday, and today he's seen me and stopped me again to save me $40 for his information. That's awesome. It is pretty gnarly out here. The wind is kicking. You know what? I just looked at the map, and I realized I went 6 miles in the wrong direction. I was supposed to turn back there. So I'm going to go back and make that turn. Pretty far out of the way if I keep going. But if I wouldn't have went down this road, I wouldn't have met that guy again and got that $40. Worth it. Let's go. Okay. It's about 10:20. Only took about 2.5 hours to get back to where we woke up this morning. Right up on top of that hill is where we woke up, and there's our turn that we missed. But, however, I got $40 out of the deal. Cool beans. Let's go get some coffee. Too, we're going the right direction. We got $40 extra in my pocket, and we're moving. This is definitely, most definitely the right way. Down the correct road for about an hour now, and I just realized that I lost my cell phone. I don't know where it is. Shoot. I guess I'm gonna go back again. I just searched everything. I got this one. This is the one I usually use for GPS, but it's dead. So I was gonna pull out the other one and see where I was, and I don't know what time it is. I don't know where I am. I know it's gonna take about an hour. It took me to get here going downhill. So, it's not a very productive day so far. I'm going to go back and see if my phone's around that area I went to sleep in. Hopefully it's there somewhere. Alright, I'll let you know. I can see it. I can see where we started this morning. It's pretty high up there. This sucks. I'm so tired. Now it's still going backwards. Help! Help! Okay. That railroad track is where we woke up this morning. That's our trail all the way back up here to the top of the freaking mountain. Still windy. I done went that way and back, and then that way and back. All super windy. I got a good hope though. I think it'll be out here. I think it's here somewhere. Let's go find it. don't see nothing. That's a bummer. We're gonna do a thorough check. This is the last place I seen it this morning. I ain't really stopped anywhere, done anything. Bummer. Keep looking. Don't see no phone. I'm gonna go look again. I came a long way to check. I feel really bad. My friend just gave me $100 to get that phone, so I haven't even had it 2 weeks. Okay. I don't know. I don't know where it could be. It's not like a populated area where it's likely somebody stumbled across it and stole it. I could have sworn I had it in my jacket pocket zipped up. Maybe it fell out when I took a hood or something out while I was riding. Seems super unlikely, but I guess that could have happened. I guess I'll go back down that road 6 miles to where the wrong road where I met that guy at. See if it's down there somewhere. Maybe I took a break and it was sitting on the side of the road or something somewhere. I don't know. I'll keep looking though, I guess. Maybe I'll just give up. I don't know. It's getting late in the day. I haven't made it. This is where I woke up this morning. Well, I'll go take all my stuff and make sure it's not in there. Alright, I'm kind of confused right now. I just spent 30 minutes or so digging through everything. I'm going to do one final walk. Still know where it could be. I know I had it this morning. I guess we're about to go down the highway 6 miles and down the wrong road. See if it's on the side of the highway somewhere. I don't know. Still got high hopes. I think we'll be able to find it. I'm not going to just give up just yet. But we're going to have to find a store at some point and get some food. So let's go ahead and give this a quick look, see if we can find it. And then if not, we're going to head back down the highway. Let's try this again. We're going back that way, see if we can find the cell phone. Haha, yeah! I just started going down the hill and I spotted it on the side of the road in the grass. Told you I still had high hopes. 6 battery. There's the phone. Nice. Screen's not even cracked. Cool. Got him. There's the battery. Now I just got to find the back. Got the back too. Nice. Still works. Ballin'. Cool. Back on track. What is it? 130. So if it's 1:30, we got 35 miles till the next gas station. I think we can still get coffee today. Let's freaking go. Worth it. Cool, we get to see all this again too. Here we are. Just about turned this time. Know which way to go now. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's 2 o'clock. I could have been clear there by now, but I wouldn't have $40 extra or my cell phone. Let's get it. Captain, finally made it back to where I realized I lost my phone. This is the furthest we've made it all day. It's 2 o'clock and we're about 6 miles down the road. We left at 8. Hey, we're making progress, okay? We're moving. It's very slow. I feel good. Just had to put these headphones in.